Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Impresa S9 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was passing through the machine, and that was basically because the water pump needed to be replaced, as well as pretty much all this assembly. There was a clog, and for some reason no water was passing through it, so we just ended up replacing the water tank as well as pretty much all the feedings from the water tank, and the hose is connected to the water pump in the back of the machine. And now it's working perfectly fine, so it's just test the machine. Hopefully I got beans in there, which I don't. So now let's go for the shot. Infusion, and here comes the coffee. Hot water working fine as well, and the steamer working really great as well. You can tell it cannot look like that because we don't have the adapter. Fortunately, we don't have it with us, so it's gonna be. But you can see has really good pressure in there, and it works amazingly. Okay, thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.